Are you ready to transform your passion for drawing into a thriving online business? Discover how to sell drawings online and reach a global audience eager to buy your art. This video will guide you through each step so you can confidently start your creative journey and turn your talent into a profitable venture. And by the way, if you would like to start your own business, the first step is to build an e-commerce website. And to do that, I highly recommend building your website with Shopify. Shopify is by far the best e-commerce builder out there. Now, I have a special offer for you. If you use my link down in the description of this video, you're gonna get your first month of Shopify for just $1. You'll find my link in the description of this video. And with that in mind, let's get started. Now, before you begin selling your drawings, it's crucial to understand the market. Identifying your target audience and staying informed about trends and preferences can help you tailor your offerings to meet demand. For instance, digital drawings, art, and prints have gained popularity among younger audiences due to their affordability and versatility. Market research involves studying competitors, understanding customer preferences, and staying updated on industry trends. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions about what type of art to create and how to market it effectively. Next, selecting the appropriate platform to sell your drawings is a vital step. There are several options available, each with its unique advantages. Etsy is well known for its focus on handmade and custom items, making it an excellent choice for artists selling original and digital works. With millions of active buyers, Etsy can significantly increase your visibility. Fine Art America specializes in fine art and allows artists to sell prints, frame artwork, and more. It's a great platform for artists looking to reach serious art buyers. Society6 connects buyers with unique art pieces and is ideal for artists wanting to sell prints and merchandise. This platform handles the production and shipping, allowing you to focus on creating art. Shopify is an excellent choice too if you want complete control over your brand and customer experience. Setting up your own online store with Shopify is simple and allows you to customize your website, manage your inventory, and handle transactions directly. Shopify's user-friendly interface and extensive features make it easy to create a professional online store. Each platform has its pros and cons. For instance, Etsy charges listing and transaction fees, while running your own Shopify store may involve monthly hosting costs but offers greater autonomy and customization options. Pricing your drawings and artwork appropriately is crucial for your success. For original artwork, price these higher due to the unique effort and time involved. For example, original charcoal drawings might be priced between $200 and $500 depending on size and complexity. The uniqueness and exclusivity of original pieces justify a higher price point. For prints and digital files, these can be sold at lower prices but offer the advantage of selling multiple copies. For instance, digital prints can range from $10 to $50. This model allows you to reach a broader audience and generate recurring revenue from a single piece of artwork. Using print-on-demand services like Printful or Printify allows you to sell your art on various products without holding inventory. You only pay for production and shipping when a sale is made, which reduces upfront costs. These services are ideal for selling art on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and other merchandise. Now, effective marketing strategies are essential to attract potential buyers and increase sales. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your drawings and artwork. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective for visual content. By regularly posting your art, engaging with followers, and using relevant hashtags, you can drive traffic to your online store. SEO, search engine optimization, helps improve your website's visibility on search engines. Use relevant keywords such as how to sell drawings online in your product descriptions, blog posts, and website content to attract organic traffic. Email marketing involves building an email list of potential buyers and keeping them informed about new releases, promotions, and events. Sending regular newsletters can help maintain interest and encourage repeat purchases. Running ads on social media or search engines can also increase visibility. Even a small budget of $5 to $10 per day on Facebook ads can yield significant traffic and sales. Collaborations with other artists or influencers can expand your reach. Partnering with well-known figures in the art community can introduce your work to their followers and generate a buzz. Now, high-quality listings are crucial for attracting buyers and ensuring they are satisfied with their purchase. Use high-resolution photos to showcase your drawings. Multiple angles and close-ups help buyers see the details. Consider hiring a professional photographer if necessary, especially for larger or more intricate pieces. Write compelling and detailed descriptions. Include information about the medium, size, inspiration, and any other specific features. This helps buyer understand the value and uniqueness of your art. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally into your titles and descriptions to improve searchability too. Now, efficiently managing sales and customer relations ensures smooth operations and repeat customers. Respond promptly to inquiries and provide excellent customer service. Clear communication helps build trust and encourages repeat business. Use reliable shipping services to ensure timely and safe delivery. Offering tracking can enhance customer trust and satisfaction. Have a clear policy in place to handle returns and refunds, ensuring customer satisfaction. A fair and transparent return policy can boost buyer confidence. Next, understanding the legal and financial aspects of selling art online is crucial for avoiding potential pitfalls. Consider registering as an LLC to protect your personal assets and gain business credibility. This also allows you to keep your business finances separate from your personal finances. Keep accurate records of your sales and expenses. Using accounting software can simplify tax filing and ensure compliance with local regulations. Protect your work by registering with the appropriate authorities to prevent unauthorized use. This gives you legal resources if someone infringes on your copyright. Now, to further enhance your online drawings art business, consider the following tips. First, develop a consistent brand identity that reflects your style and values. This includes your logo, color scheme, and overall aesthetic. Consistent branding helps create a professional image and makes your art easily recognizable. Build relationships with other artists, galleries, and potential buyers. Attend art shows, participate in online forums, and join art communities. Networking can open up new opportunities and help you gain exposure. Ensure that the prints and products you sell meet high quality standards. This includes using premium materials and working with reliable printing services. High quality products lead to satisfied customers and positive reviews. Encourage customers to leave reviews and provide feedback. Positive reviews can boost your credibility and attract more buyers. Address any negative feedback promptly and professionally to maintain a good reputation. Stay updated on the latest trends, tools, and techniques in the art industry. Attend workshops, take online courses, and read industry publications. Continuous learning helps you improve your skills and stay competitive. By following these steps and tips, you can successfully sell your drawings online and build a thriving online art business. Remember, persistence and dedication are key to achieving long-term success. Selling your drawings online is a fantastic way to share your art with the world and earn income. With the right strategies and platforms like Shopify, you can build a successful online art business. Start today and turn your passion into profit. Create your own online store and begin selling your drawings to a global audience. Sign up with Shopify now and use my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra, and if this video was any helpful to you, I would highly appreciate that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.